It's a 2007 Yamaha R1. It's got a baffle removal. It's homemade. Costed about $35 to do this job right here. It's still got the catalytic converter hooked up. 2-inch stainless steel pipe, 16 inches long inside of the cans, both cans packed with insulation. So we're going to see how it sounds now. So that's what happens when you take the baffles out. Spent $35 and I've actually basically got more airflow than the regular exhaust that you can buy, Termigdani, Aquapovic, Yoshi pipes. So you can either spend $35 and do this, or you can spend $600 to $800 and get you a slip-on exhaust. Your choice, but just wanted everybody to know how it sounds.